In this video, we're unboxing and installing the front strut assembly on this Honda Civic Compact Global Platform FK7 2021. In the box, you'll find the front strut assembly, bottom mounting and the top mount bearing, an auxiliary tool you need for front strut assembly removal, transmission support jack, tools required for the front strut assembly removal and installation. You will need a large electric impact wrench, a large ratchet wrench, a large short extension bar, a medium ratchet wrench, a medium short extension bar, a medium 12mm socket, a large 19mm socket, a large 17mm socket, a large 14mm socket, a needle nose pliers, a large torque wrench, a large torque wrench. Start by removing the wheel. Loosen the lug nuts using a 19mm socket with a short extension and torque wrench. Lift the vehicle. Remove the lug nuts using a 19mm socket with the electric impact wrench. Remove the wheel. Lift the vehicle again. Remove the clip for the wheel speed sensor wiring harness using needle nose pliers. Remove the rubber grommet of the wheel speed sensor wiring by hand. Remove the brake line bracket bolt using a 12mm socket with a ratchet and short extension. Remove the bolt. Remove the nut securing the stabilizer bar end link to the strut using a 14mm socket with the electric impact wrench. Remove the end link. Remove the nut securing the strut to the steering knuckle using a 17mm socket with the electric impact wrench. Remove the bolt. Separate the strut from the steering knuckle. Lower the vehicle. Open the hood. Install the hood prop rod. Remove the right side strut tower nut. Remove the strut tower nut using a 14mm socket with the electric impact wrench. Remove the strut assembly. Prepare to install the new strut. Position the new strut into place. Tighten the strut tower nut using a 14mm socket with a torque wrench to 80 Nm, 59 feet-pounds. Remove the hood prop rod. Close the hood. Lift the vehicle. Use the transmission jack to support and align the strut for installation. Position the strut into the steering knuckle. Insert the bolt. Tighten the strut to knuckle nut using a 17mm socket with the electric impact wrench. Final torque the strut to knuckle nut using a 17mm socket with a torque wrench to 100 Nm or 74 feet-pounds. Connect the stabilizer bar end link to the strut and start the nut. Tighten the stabilizer bar end link nut using a 14mm socket with the electric impact wrench. Start the brake line bracket nut. Tighten the brake line bracket nut using a 12mm socket with a ratchet and short extension. Reattach the wheel speed sensor wiring harness clip and rubber grommet. Lower the vehicle. Install the wheel. Hand tighten the lug nuts using a 19mm socket with a short extension. Snug the lug nuts using a 19mm socket with the electric impact wrench. Fully lower the vehicle to the ground. Final torque the lug nuts using a 19mm socket with a short extension and torque wrench to 120 Nm or 88 feet-pounds. You are now complete with this installation.